So this is the SLOBS trophy for 2020. It's the Summerhill Lads on Bikes Champion of the Year. It's made from 2 pieces of timber and a bike seat. There's the design of the cutting of the CNC, and here's a simulation of that cutting. And then the actual machine's going to cut that out. So it's cut it out here, we're just doing the final pieces, adding a little bit more depth in those grooves so that the bike seat can fit into those. Then we cut them out. And you'll see there's a groove there, that's where the bike seat's going to clip onto. And here it is all clipped together. Just needs a base now, doesn't it? So here we are machining the base out. The machine's been sped up to 5 times, or should I say the video has been sped up to 5 times. This CNC will cut all sorts of timber. These are just leftover pieces. There it is with the base on it. Ta-da! SHLOB of the Year 2020. Stay tuned for SLOB of the Year 2022. 2021.